Welcome back. This is another exciting episode of Mr. Takeda Teaches Math 7. This is lesson 6.6 on discounts and markups. Hey, this is something that affects all of us all the time because we all shop and we all buy things. And our essential question is, how can you find discounts and selling prices? So this is actually, I used to be, before I became a teacher a long time ago, I used to do buying for a computer company. So this is something that I was really involved in because we had to buy things and then we had to figure out what we're going to sell them for. So let's get started, shall we? Our key ideas, our vocabulary. A discount. It's a decrease in the original price of an item. A markup, to make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. They buy it from the manufacturer or some supplier, and they put a profit on top of it. The increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called a markup. Sometimes you'll hear it referred to as a margin. The margin is really more of a difference between the what they pay and what they sell it for. Okay, so markup is what we're using in this class. Markup. Okay, so we want to get those ideas into your notebook. Discounts and markups. One is a decrease, one is an increase. All right, and let's look at this first problem here. Okay, the original price of the shorts is $35. So it says it's 25% off. What is the sale price? Well, there's a couple different ways we can do this. And the first method is to find the discount. So if it's 25% off, that's 25% off of 35. So see, again, this clue here, this of 35 times, right? So 0.25, this is the discount. Discount is 0.25, and we multiply that by 35, right? Multiplying. Okay, so 0.25 times 35, 0.25 times 35 equals $8.75. Now this is the discount. So if we're starting with 35, the new price is 35 minus 875. Right, because this is the discount. We're subtracting this discount from the original price. So then 35 minus 875. $26.25. Okay, so that's one way to do it, to find the discount and to subtract that discount from the original price. There's another way to do this, is to find the percent of the original price. So you got to follow me on this now. If the discount is 25%, that means you're paying 75% of the original price, right? So in other words, instead of subtracting the discount from the price, we're going to subtract the discount percentage from 100. So the percent of the original price is 75%. And then we multiply that by the original price. So basically this is saying the sale price is going to be 75% of the original price. It should come out to be $26.25, but let's check it out here, shall we? 0.75 times, what was it, 35? Did I forget 35? Yeah, times 35. Yeah, $26.25. Okay, so you can find the discount first, the discount amount first, and then subtract that from the original amount. Or you can figure out the amount that you are paying. In other words, it's the amount that if the discount's 25%, you're paying 75% of the original price. Okay. You can use either method for this one. Try this. It sets up the same as the other one. What is the sale price? This is 1t. You put this in at the end and pause it here to do this problem. Write your answers in your notebook and then join me on the screen. Finding an original price. So now we're going to find something that's we know what? We know a sale price and we know a discount amount. So now we have to find the original price of these shoes. What is the original price of the shoes? The sale price is 100% minus 40% equals 60% of the original price. Okay, so it's 60% of the original price. So the question is 33 is 60%, so 0.6 of the original price. The original price in this case is that whole amount, right? That's what we're starting with. Okay, so we'll just divide both sides here by 0.6. So 33 divided by 0.6. $55. And in this case, it's dollars, right? So because we're buying something, it's $55 originally, 40% off, you get $55. Okay, so so I like this method. Again, if it's 40% off, you're paying 60%. You're not paying 40% of it. You're paying the 60% off for 60% of it. So don't use the 40, use the 60. Okay. And try this one. Again, pause it here and see what you get. See if you can make this work. And then when you're done, keep playing and you'll join me right here. Okay, example 3, finding a selling price. So in this case, this is, let's read through this here. Store pays 70% for a bicycle. The percent of markup is 20%. What is the selling price? Okay. So there's a couple different ways we're going to do this here. So this is kind of like the discount one, but in reverse. So first, we're going to find the markup. The markup is 20% of 70. They pay $70 for this. They're going to mark it up 20%. Okay, so that amount is going to be 0.2 of 70. So we're going to multiply to get 0.2 of 70. 20% of 70. So 0.2 times 70. Well, this is easy. 7 times 2. It's $14, right? So A equals 14. Now, just like that first example with the discount where you have to subtract, we have to add this. We have to add this. So 70 plus 14, the sale price will be $94. Okay. Now, the other method would be to do kind of like the opposite. Instead of subtracting those things, we're going to add. We're going to add 100%. It says use the ratio table. Don't worry about that ratio table part. But if I multiply by 100%, if I multiply 70 times 100%, I just end up with 70. So I need to have a bigger number. So the selling price is going to be 120%. 100% plus 20%. 120%. So this will be 120%. So 1.2. That's 120% times 70. And that gets us our $94. All right, so this is what I used to do when I was buying and calculating prices for or costs for the company I was working for. I would use a method like this because when I was dealing with a computer, I didn't want to have the computer do 2 steps, so I just calculated the percent markup along with that 100%. That's how I did it for that. Okay, so try this one. This is 3T. Come up with your answer for this, and you're going to put this in at the end of the pod. And that's it. This video is done. And I thank you, and I will see you when I see you. See you in class, hopefully. Bye-bye. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.